Hi, in this video we now add this section, the latest news or the blog section. Let's go ahead and add this part. So we go again to the components, and then we go to SP page builder, then we go to pages, go to a home page, and here we need now to add a new row. We need to add a new row. A full one. There you are. We have added a new row. And the first part here is we need to add the title. We need to add the title. So you create a new add-on, and then you add the title. You add the text block, and the title here is the latest news or blog. Then the heading, let's put H2 for the heading. Let us increase H2 as, and that's all you need to do. Then you click apply, and then you save. Let's see how it will appear. There you are, latest news blog. Let's put it at the center. Let's put it at the center. You edit, and then with the content alignment center. There you go. Then you apply, and then you click save. Refresh. There you go. It's good now. And then the other item, you need to add the latest news, of the blog here. But before we do that, let's add a small space to separate the two. So you go here again on the same row, you click add-on, and this time we want to enter an empty space. There you go. Separator. Let it give it 40. Border, and then put OK. Let me go. Not the border, not the divider, but an empty space. Let's remove this one. Add on empty space, that is an empty space. Let's put it 40. That will just give a separation between the upper part and part. Then let us save. There you go. I have added a space here so that we can now add the blog section. Can add the blog section. But before we do that, let's create the content for the blog. Let's create the content for the blog. So we have 3 of them here. Let's create the content for the blog. And to do that, you need to go to the dashboard, and then you go to the content. So here is where you create the content, or what we refer to as the articles. You create the articles. But before you create an article, let's add a category. As you can see here, our main category here is latest news. Let's create latest news category. You can see here there is an already default one which is uncategorized, but let's create one. Rename it latest news. Latest news category. Here you are, and then you save and close category. There you are. And now let's create the articles. So we go to articles. You can see here there are no articles that has been created yet. So to do that, you need to go to add your first article. Add your first article or click new. There you are. There you are. And this is our article title. This is our article content. I have used the generate content to come up with a content for the article. So let's open this article and copy the content. So this is the first article here. So that is the article title. And this is the article content. There you go. And then you save. There you go. We have added the article. The next thing we need to do is we need to add the image for the article. We need to add the image for the article, and this is the image, and you can select the image. You can create a new folder, say where we store all our articles images. Then we upload. And this is the image. There you go. Select full article image. Let's select the same. Option, blog option, featured image. Let's select the same. The same. And that's all we need to do. So we save. So we save and close. So we have generated our first article. So that's how you add the articles in Joomla. So we create another one. Let's create at least 3. So we create the second one. This one here. And this is the content. And the image. We have actually added the image for the first, but we can always change. So we go to images, select the images. Here we go. So we have added one. We can add this one here. Select image. There. Same image. And option, blog option, featured. Let's add the same. And then we save and close so that we can create the third one. Create a new one. So someone may ask, where did I get this kind of content? So we normally have this generator. You can search it. Generator. It's a text generator. There are so many ones. This here you have so many websites you can use to generate the content for your website. Just that is a demo content. It's a demo content. Here you are. You can use it to generate a demo content for your website, like the way I am doing, or for whatever reason you want to generate a demo content for. So you can check these two websites that can help you to generate the text for your demo content. So we go and create the third one, the third article. Here you are. There. This is the content. Then the images. Upload the images. Here we have this one here. Select. Do the same. You select. And option, blog option, upload the same. Something we forget to do with the other articles is we forgot to add the category to be the latest news, because how we are going to display this content is based on the category, because you can create so many content of different kind and reasons. So that's why you create the categories so that you can be able to save it then. So let us edit our other content. The category we have created, featured, latest news category. Latest news. There we go. We have created now the category. Now the next step now is how to display the categories or the articles. We have created now the articles. We have now created the articles. Now the next step, how can we now display our articles in our website? How do we display them here in our website? So we go again to our page builder, component, pages, then you click home. Then we are going to add a module here. So if you add an add-on here, we realize that because we are using the free version of SP Page Builder, there's no way we can use the add-ons here. There's an add-on for adding the articles. You can see here, there's one here, there's one here. You need to have a pro version of SP Page Builder to do that. But the good news is in Joomla, we have what we refer to as extensions. You can extend your Joomla capability by using what we refer to as extensions. So there are some which you can pay and there are some which you cannot pay. They are free. So we are going to use a free version, and here you can see here anything to do with photos and images. If you want to extend your Joomla website with photos and images, you can see there are so many here: news, social web, style and design, site management. There are so many. So in our case, we want to display articles. So if you click article display, you're going to see so many extensions or modules or components that you can actually use to extend your Joomla website. So here you can see there are so many here. You can see here then it is free. Some are free and some you have to buy. Free and some you have to buy. So there are so many of them. There are so many of them. But the one we are going to use is called a mini front page. So the module we are going to use, or the extension we are going to use, is called mini front page. Here you go, mini front page. It's a free module or extension that you can use to display the articles. So go ahead and search it and download the module. Here is compatibility with Joomla 3 and 4. We are using 4. So if you go to their demo website, there you go. You can see it is a very nice module that you can use to display your articles. You can use to display your articles. So go ahead and download the free version of the extension. Go ahead and download the free version of the extension. So click download and register on the website and download the free version of the extension. Once you download, you go to your dashboard. Then you go to system, and then you go to install extensions. Install extensions. There you go, and then you upload your extension. So I have already downloaded mine. So here you are. Just drag here. There you go, it has installed the module. It has. So what you need now to go is you need to go to the module manager and publish the module so that it can be used. So you need to publish. Once you install, you need to publish. So you go to the module, modules, and then here you are, mini front here. Let's publish the module. There you go, mini front page. Let's open it. So here, mini front page. You can even give it a new name. Display articles. Display articles. There you are, so that you can remember. So we disable the title so that when we display the articles, do not bring any issues or problem. We need to do some setting on this module or extension so that it can display our articles. So Here the category we want is the latest news. Remember we added this category, and then the main reason we added here, because in a website you can have so many articles or the news or the blog with different categories. So categories help you to identify them and also how to display them on the website. Thumbnail, the images 640. This is based on the images we have put. That's 640 by 360. That's the size of our images. Menu, we have to leave it to theme. Display at least the default 3 of them. Let's show the category. Let's hide the other format. Let's hide this one. Let's use this one, card me, but you can select any and see how it will appear. Just make the information. Then we save and close. So we are done with that module. So now we need to display this module in our page. So we go to components, SP page builder, pages. Then we go to home. There you are. And then we go to our row, and then we go to add-on. This time we need now to add the Joomla module or the extension, and the module we want now is the display articles. Remember, this is the one we created, display articles, and then we apply. Style. Anything we need to do. So now, like that, tick, and then we save. Let's see how it will appear. Let's see how it. There we are. Very nice. We have displayed our articles there. Don't worry about the color and the rest. We are going to do that as in our demo website. The typography, we are going to do that at later date, at later time. But first we need to build the website. So you can see here the articles. There you are. You can see ours there. We have added ours. It's looking good. That's nice. Let's go ahead now and do this part. We add a video part and also a banner part. You may want to add a banner part or a video part in your website. Let's go ahead and do that. Video part and a banner part. Please like, share and comment. And if you are new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.